How to create short reels or TikTok videos in LightCut. Want to make short, engaging videos for social media? LightCut makes it simple, and let's see how to do it. First, open a project, tap Format and choose Reel or TikTok mode to set the vertical aspect ratio. Add clips, music, and text as needed. Trim each clip using the timeline to fit the short video style. Preview and make sure transitions and effects sync with the music to create a smooth and eye-catching reel. Keep videos under 60 seconds for better engagement and use AI auto-edit or templates for faster results. What's your favorite type of short video? Funny, educational, or creative? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can create short reels or TikTok videos in LightCut. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.